let's be eating. Oh my God! Oh, my body they do me totori. This is the time for me to cook my fufu. I'm going to put it inside this boiled water and cover it for my fufu akpu to start cooking and to start boiling. It is the time for we to start making our fufu in the house. We have done cooking our egusi. Fufu has to be made. Let's go there, guys. Area mama fufu don ready. Make una prepare. Make una prepare for the house. If you know that you want to eat fufu, come and meet area mama. Okay. If you know that you want to eat fufu, come and meet area mama. Way! Pa! 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 Marcia! Marcia! Say Fufu, he's ready. Fufu, he's ready. In this house. In this house, I will just do it too. It will be better. Our soup is ready. Hey! And fufu is ready, not the jam. Fufu, original fufu. Hey! So let's bring out all the medals. Let the soup come to the center. This is our egusi, pot of egusi. Okay. I love head of fish. Number one, let us put the head of fish in one corner. Number two, snail. Let us put, this is snail. Hell, I use periwinkle. Let's be eating. Oh my God! Oh, my body they do me totori. I feel good. Anna, what did they sup? What did they sup?